Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a peanut butter cappuccino. Now, if you're going to try to attempt to make this recipe, you do not want to use regular peanut butter. Peanut butter does not mix well in hot beverages, and you'll just end up with a bunch of clumpy chunks of peanut butter in your cappuccino. What you're going to want to do is probably head to your local coffee shop and ask them to either special order or buy off of them peanut butter syrup. Peanut butter syrup is a flavored syrup that is typically made for coffee beverages. Now, the reason why I say go to your local coffee shop is because you're not going to find peanut butter flavored syrup in your common grocery store down the coffee aisle. It's a very odd and unique flavor that you'll find in a syrup, although they do make it, and many manufacturers of coffee flavored syrups make a peanut butter syrup. Once you locate that, then you are able to make your peanut butter cappuccino at home. Now, if you have an espresso maker, what you're going to want to do and keep in mind is to get your steam wand ready to steam your milk. And the reason why this is so important is because a cappuccino traditionally has about this much foam on top of the beverage. What you'll have is your shot of espresso, your peanut butter syrup in the bottom. You'll have about this much, about halfway up, or a little less, of hot milk, and then the rest of the beverage is all foam. Now, in order to achieve all that foam, you're going to need to fill up your carafe halfway with cold milk. The best milk to use is milk right out of the refrigerator. You're going to fill that up halfway, and you're going to insert it into your steam wand. You're going to scratch the surface of your carafe for about the entirety of the time that you are steaming your milk. Now, if the milk rises to the point where it's about to overflow out of the carafe, at that point you can then submerge the steam wand into the bottom of the carafe. You're going to want to wait until you hear a rumbling sound or the carafe is too hot to touch, and then you can remove that from the steam wand. Once you have your foamy steamed milk, you can then pull your shot of espresso, allowing time for your steamed milk to settle. The longer it settles, the more firm the foam will get on top of your cappuccino. After you have your shot of espresso, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter flavoring to the espresso in the bottom of your serving cup. Then you're going to pour in your hot milk, holding back the foam as you pour. Then you're going to take a spoon and scoop out the remaining foam on top of your cappuccino. Once you have all the foam on top of your cappuccino, you're complete making your peanut butter cappuccino. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a peanut butter cappuccino.